Welcome to Grandma Kathy's Art Venture. Today we're going to try another Dutch pour. Let's go. So here's all the colors I'm going to use today. The base is 4 different colors mixed together to give me this beautiful blue. And then I have it's actually called Pearl Wine Red and a Pearl White. And then it's a metallic blue. And we'll see how it goes.
If you're reading this now, odds are I've already left town. A few cities in between the new skyline where I'm looking down. A few empties on the floor and a note on the door of your house. And this silence reminds me of what's left behind me for now. There's a broken down car parked outside the barn up the road, and a weather vane hanging all crooked from the rain and the snow. I'm a half-mile past where we ran out of gas years ago. So I'm taking my time and I'm gonna drive by it once more. But you'll see there's a new life waiting, and I just don't want this feeling to go. If you're reading this now, please remember the good times we had. Don't forget about the moments we tried, we cried, or we laughed. There's a good chance our paths will eventually meet up somehow. Just know I had good reason to go if you're reading this now. I spent too many nights with the lights out, replaying this scene where we shared the same space, the same beautiful place in my dreams. And I kick at the walls, I keep tripping on old memories. And I try to sing along to the song on this old record machine, but I can't get the words to come out right. I forget this old melody. If you're reading this now, know I'm wondering how things will be if I bump into you, or the things that you do when I leave. There's a million little things that I'll miss. Just know that somehow you don't need another reason to leave me if you're reading this now. I'm a long ways away, but you're safe, and I know you're better off this way if you're reading this now.
Okay, so here we are at this point in the drying stage. It is still not completely dry. It's still wet in the middle, but I'm happy with it. I'm still needing to practice some more, but I'm okay with this one. And this was a 12 by 18, no, not a 12 by 18, a 12 by 24. And deep edge canvas. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. See y'all on the next one. Bye-bye.